I was all set for my dream vacation, but then I noticed it. My ticket had the wrong name. Panic set in as I stood at the airport check-in, my heart racing. I could almost hear the dreaded words, "Name mismatch." I felt the stress creeping in, thinking about all the hassle ahead. But then I discovered Myflightpolicy. They specialize in navigating the tricky waters of British Airways name change policy. With their expert support, I learned just how simple it could be to fix my ticket. First, I reached out to their team. They were available 24/7, ready to help me through the process. Next, we verified my passenger details. It was quick and straightforward. Then came the best part, correcting the name on my ticket. I couldn't believe how easy it was. Within moments, I received a confirmation email. Just like that, my worries melted away. I was back on track, ready to board my flight without a hitch. Thanks to Myflightpolicy, I had expert guidance every step of the way. No more stress, just smooth sailing. If you ever find yourself in a similar situation, remember, help is just a call away. Enjoy your travels, stress-free.